Hi, this is Marlon from the Appliance Experts, and at the beginning of each new year, we like to highlight the different things in online marketing that an appliance repair company should be focusing on to get new customers or leads. So in today's video, I just wanted to quickly highlight this new article we just published on our website, 5 highest ROI marketing investments appliance repair companies should make in 2020. Now, if you're on a small budget or maybe you're just on a fixed budget when it comes to online marketing, you may be wondering where you should put that money. So in this article, it's focused more on SEO or search engine optimization. And the reason is search engine optimization is a long-term strategy, and it's going to be the most consistent once you actually get it to work. So here are a few things that we cover in the article. You can check it out if any of these interest you. So we talk about the best practices for local SEO, the importance of making sure you have an optimized Google My Business profile. If you don't have one set up already, it's really important to get that done right away. And how to actively manage your online reputation. Probably in every single video or webinar that I do, I always stress the importance of online reputation because it's becoming more and more important each and every new year. And then we discuss how to build good links to demonstrate authority for your website and how to cultivate business citations. So check out the new article if any of these topics interest you. My name is Marlon. Hope you found this information useful, and we'll talk to you soon.